The distance piece, especially with irons, has become a bit more of an important piece to talk about. Where in the PING family do we sit with these clubs?
Yeah, both I-530 and G730 are definitely in our distance category. We do a ton of data mining on how do players play their best. Distance is a really big factor in that. We deliver these two irons very specifically to hit that distance-focused consumer that just needs help getting the ball downrange.
Amazing. And so, you know, when you're hitting it far, what other ingredients are really required to be able to play your best?
We do not want to stop with just hitting it far. We want to make sure that you're being able to play these across the set on the course. But we don't want to lose sight that you have to play the 9-iron on course. How does that thing come into greens? How's the gapping from your 7 to your 8 to your 9, and even from your 7 to your 6 to your 5? So we very much focus on creating peak height, trying to get the ball in the air and downrange as far as possible. So we view that peak height is a really good proxy for an indicator of stopping power. So if we can get the ball in the air, we can have a better chance of stopping on the green.
So I've got the 530 in front of me. It's a beautiful looking iron. Can you talk to some of the tech that went into this to make it look like this but have that type of performance?
530 is a really good alternative for someone who needs more distance but wants to look at an I-230, more of a player style club. A lot of the things we do in this design are to help get more ball speed. So the shaping, the way that we design the internal structure of the club is very much focused on how we design metalwoods. It's the same face material, it's the same body material. We're trying to create thin transitions to help the face flex. When the face flexes, it returns that to the golf ball and more ball speed, which gets the ball in the air.
So that's the I-530. How about the G730 and how that differs and who that's for?
Yeah, the G730 is our largest offering at PING. It's our most forgiving iron we've designed. So it's the widest sole, biggest blade length, most offset. What that really gives the end consumer is just forgiveness. It helps get the ball off the ground into the air. We've designed it such that it is a very distance-focused iron. We want to make sure the players playing this gets the ball down the range. So we've packed in a ton of forgiveness. All those attributes of size help give it more forgiveness. The structure design is trying to get thin transitions similar to 530, just in a different format. And we have our PureFlex badge on the back. So the PureFlex badge, the concept there is how do we dampen unwanted vibrations while still letting the face flex. So it's a badge that's actually cut up into different flexure regions to help dampen that vibration but still let the face bend, because as the face bends, we get more ball speed.
So Travis, we've got unreal product across different lines. How does a player determine where they should go and how they should actually get the best for them?
I think the key word is getting fit, making sure that we're getting properly fit for the head, the shaft, the total weight combo. We have a ton of great tools in our Copilot suite of apps, but also just going and getting fit is a great first place to start to make sure we're in the right product.